Here is question number 3 on linear systems. So we are actually trying to understand intersection of lines, and let's see what it is all about. Question 3 is find the point of intersection of the following set of lines. So this time we actually need to solve them and find the point of intersection. Now solving them, you can adopt the method of substitution which you learned, right? So you need to do algebraic calculations and find the answer. Coordinate means you need to find both x and y coordinates for the point. Set 1 is y equals to minus x plus 3 and y equals to 5. Solve, get your answer. Part B is y equals to 2x plus 1 and x equals to 5. Correct? So once you're done, look into my suggestion. Part A, we have two equations. One is y equals to minus x plus 3 and the other one is y equals to 5. So they will intersect only where y is 5. Now let's substitute the y value of 5 here and see what value of x do we get. So if I write 5 here, I get 5 equals to minus x plus 3, right? And now let's bring the numbers together. It becomes 5 minus 3 equals to minus x. So minus x is 2 for us. So minus x is 2 for us. So what is x? X is equal to minus 2, correct? Now let us check. If I put minus 2 here, then minus 2 and minus 2 will become plus 2. Plus 2 plus 3 is 5, correct? And therefore, our solution for this equation is x is minus 2 and y is 5, correct? I would like you to graph this and check your answer. That's part B of A. Now the second line, right? Y equals to 2x plus 1 and x equals to 5. Let's substitute x as 5 and find the value of y. So we have 2 times 5 plus 1, which is 10 plus 1, that is 11. So we get y as 11. Check your answer. If I put 2 here, 2 times 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, that's correct. So the answer here is 5 and 11. Now as an added exercise, you need to plot them on a graph paper accurately to find this answer, right? I'm doing a rough work for you here. Minus x plus 3 means y-intercept of 3 and going down 1 unit, right? So let us say line will look like this, correct? So that is minus x plus 3, correct? And then y equals to 5. This line means this was 3, right? And 5 will be above it. So approximately like this. So that is y equals to 5. This is 5, right? And you see your intersection is at y of 5 and negative value for x, which on a graph paper will be at minus 2. Correct? So that is how you have to do it. Similarly, sketch this. X equals to 5 is what? X equals to 5 is always a vertical line. So sketch a vertical line at 5. So let us say this is, we just draw a line here, right? And we say this is x equals to 5. And the other line is y equals to 2x plus 1. So the other line will actually go upwards from its positive slope, right, of 2. So it will go like this, correct? So from 1 onwards. So we will have a line which will go like in this direction, correct? So you can see high up as it goes, it will intersect somewhere here, right? So that point of intersection will be at x equals to 5 and y equals to 11, correct? So that is how you can graph it. I hope you understand now the method of substitution and calculating the coordinates of the point. Remember, when we talk about coordinates, both x and y value, and they should be written in brackets, correct? That's how you do it. Thanks and all the best.